Hi, I'm Annette, and I just want to highly recommend for everyone to think about taking the anti-racism boot camp that Beyond School offers. I just took it this past Saturday, and it was 2 hours, and it was absolutely phenomenal. I have done a lot of work up to this date and have actually some training in diversity. However, it was really wonderful to be part of a group where it wasn't just white women or white men discussing how to be anti-racist. We had a very diverse group of participants, and Sharon and Lee, who both taught the course, were able to really kind of bring out identifying and experiencing racism and thinking and reflecting on experiences that we've had growing up within our own families and communities, and through our workplaces, and really thinking about our own biases that we may not even realize that we have, but and then how to move forward. What commitment can we each make individually to be anti-racist? How do we bring that to our workplaces and also within our families and within our communities? There are so many resources out there, and we were able to share in a really safe space. And I was able to fumble around because I am an upper educated white woman who will never understand what it is to be a person of color. And so it was nice because I felt really comfortable being able to ask what I thought initially were stupid questions, but there are really no stupid questions. Really, we want to do this again. We all left the group saying that this was something that we want to continue in some way, shape, or form, because we had a lot of fun. It wasn't just a heavy, deep, dark topic. We actually were able to, laugh, and some people cry, but it was a safe space where we can actually share how to move forward in this country and in the world. And so I really urge all of you to consider taking the anti-racism boot camp. I cannot recommend it highly enough.